In this session, we'll discuss shipment statuses. Throughout OTM, certain business objects have statuses associated with them, such as locations, order releases, shipments, and invoices. Statuses consist of the following: a status type, which represents a class of actions that can occur during the OTM process, and a status value, which is associated with a status type and represents specific actions for the record. When creating a shipment, the associated order release has a status type of planning, which identifies the planning state of the order release from a buy perspective. The status values associated with the status type of planning change depending on the OTM processes that have run. Some of these values are explained here. The initial status value of an order release is new. When an order release is planned into a shipment, the status value is set to planned final. If for some reason an order release fails to plan, the order release status is set to planned failed and then can be corrected and replanned. When all shipments associated with an order release are moved to execution, the status value is set to executed final. If an order release was planned on a shipment and then unassigned at a later date, the status value is set to unscheduled, which then needs to be rescheduled and planned. Using status types and status values, you can see where a business object is within the OTM process. You can also create your own statuses based on your unique business processes. Depicted here is an example of an order release record. This record has previously been selected and optimized into a shipment record. We can view the current values for several status types by clicking the Status button at the right of the form. The Status Detail window opens, then displays two columns: Status Type and Status Values. As previously discussed, the status type planning has a current value of planning executed final, which indicates that the order release was successfully planned onto a shipment record. In summary, statuses are used throughout transportation management to indicate the current state of an object. Status values will also flow through a predefined cycle based on actions leveraged against the object, and status values can be viewed for multiple objects, such as within an order release as seen in our topic. Thanks for watching.